Hiring the right talent is one of the biggest challenges that businesses face in today's competitive job market. Whether you are a small startup or a growing enterprise, finding, screening, and hiring the best candidates efficiently can be overwhelming without the right tools. Recruiters and HR teams need to manage multiple job postings, screen hundreds of resumes, communicate with candidates, schedule interviews, and ensure compliance with hiring regulations, all while trying to provide a great candidate experience. This is where Jazz HR comes in. Jazz HR is a powerful and user friendly applicant tracking system that simplifies and automates the entire recruitment process. It's designed specifically for small to mid sized businesses that need a scalable hiring solution without the high costs and complexity of enterprise level systems. In this video, we will explore the key features and benefits of Jazz HR, why it stands out as a top choice in 2025, and tips on how to make the most out of the platform. So, whether you are an HR professional, a hiring manager, or a business owner looking to streamline your recruitment process, this guide will help you understand how Jazz HR can transform the way you hire. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its job posting and candidate sourcing. Jazz HR enables businesses to post job openings across multiple job boards, including Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and ZipRecruiter, with a single click. It also provides a customizable careers page that can be embedded into your company's website, ensuring a seamless candidate experience. This expands your reach to a larger pool of job seekers, attracting more qualified applicants quickly. Another key feature is its customizable hiring workflows. Every company has a unique recruitment process, and Jazz HR allows businesses to customize their hiring workflows accordingly. You can set up different stages for screening, interviews, approvals, and hiring, ensuring a structured and consistent process for evaluating candidates. This saves time by automating workflows, eliminating repetitive manual tasks, and improving hiring efficiency. Another key feature is its AI powered resume parsing and automated screening. Jazz HR's AI driven resume parser extracts key informations from resumes, making it easy to review candidate qualifications quickly. Recruiters can also use knockout questions and pre screening filters to automatically disqualify applicants who do not meet the job requirements. This reduces manual screening efforts, allowing recruiters to focus on engaging with the best candidates. Another key feature is its collaborative hiring and interview scheduling. Hiring is a team effort, and Jazz HR makes it easier for recruiters, hiring managers, and interviewers to collaborate. Users can share candidate profiles, leave feedback, assign tasks, and schedule interviews all within the platform. Automated interview scheduling also syncs with Google and Outlook calendars, preventing scheduling conflicts. This improves team collaboration and decision making, leading to faster and more effective hiring. Another key feature is its automated email communication and candidate engagement. Jazz HR provides customizable email templates and automated messaging tools that allow recruiters to send interview invites, follow ups, and rejection notices effortlessly. The system ensures timely communication with candidates at every stage of the hiring process. This enhances the candidate experience by keeping applicants informed and engaged throughout the hiring journey. Another key feature is compliance and reporting tools. Staying compliant with hiring regulations is crucial for businesses. Jazzhr offers compliance tracking features for equal employment opportunity, general data protection regulation, and other hiring laws. It also provides detailed hiring analytics and reporting, helping recruiters track diversity efforts, identify hiring bottlenecks, and measure recruitment performance. This reduces legal risks and ensures that your hiring process is fair, transparent, and data driven. So, why is Jazz HR a great choice in 2025? Jazz HR is one of the most accessible and cost effective ATS solutions available for small and medium sized businesses. Unlike traditional enterprise level applicant tracking systems that come with high costs and steep learning curves, Jazz HR offers a simple and intuitive interface with powerful automation tools that make recruiting faster and easier. One of its biggest advantages is job posting automation. So instead of manually submitting job openings to multiple platforms, Jazz HR distributes listings to major job boards instantly. This significantly reduces recruitment time and ensures that job postings reach the right audience. Another reason why Jazz HR is great choice is its collaborative hiring features. The system promotes seamless communication between recruiters, hiring managers, and HR professionals. So, with its scalability, automation, and intuitive design, Jazz HR is a top choice for companies looking to modernize their recruitment strategy in 2025. So basically, Jazz HR is more than just an applicant tracking system. It is a complete recruitment solution designed to help businesses hire smarter and faster. With its automated job posting, AI powered screening, customizable workflows, and seamless integrations, Jazz HR enables HR teams to attract top talent, reduce hiring time, and improve candidate engagement. So, if you're ready to enhance your hiring efficiency and build a stronger workforce, Jazz HR can help you achieve your recruitment goals today in 2025 and beyond. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.